Hello guys, this is Saurabh Biswal and you are watching Warehouse. As from the title it is completely clear that I will be giving you the best kicks that can be used for self-defense. Even some of my friends ask me if we don't have a nunchaku or any kind of a weapon, then how to defend ourselves? Don't worry guys, this video has the complete solution to it. Okay, and as we know, legs are the longest part in our body. It can be best used for self-defense. In this video, I will be giving you only three type of kicks needed to defend ourselves. And for people having high fat ratio in their body, and I would suggest them to give it a try at least. Try these exercises at least. And in the next video, I will come up with the best exercises for keeping the body slim and fit. And in the last, I will give you an amazing trick to check your opponent from kicking. So keep watching till the end. The first kick is the front kick. Let me just demonstrate it for you. Okay, just for exercises, stand like this and kick with your right leg. Right leg back and left leg is forward like this. And from the left leg, from the side, even if you are standing normally like this, means it is not always possible that you will be standing like this in a normal fight, or if you come in front of anyone, then if you are standing like this, even if you are standing like this, then you can just kick it like this. After getting much practice, you can easily kick like this. So everyone in their life must have tried kicking forward, but if we adjust it a bit, like everyone in my childhood, I have done it several times like this, kicking like this. It gives no power like this. So just we have to adjust it a bit. Lift the leg like this from the side. Let me show you. Okay, so stand like this position. Okay. Then lift the leg like this, kick forward, okay, back, this, kick, back. Try kicking them on the gut part, between this diaphragm and chest, or rather in their lower waist region, okay. This is a good kick to stop anyone coming in front of you like this. Okay. The second kick is a lower body roundhouse kick. Let me demonstrate it for you. Put your right leg back like this, as we have done in our front kick, and kick like this. See, give proper attention. With left leg, let me show you from the side. Okay. Okay, fine. And the kicks are targeted to the outer thighs area, around this region. And try kicking this with your shin bone. That is this part. Okay. Try kicking this with this part. It gives much higher impact. And the kick goes like this. We have to stand it back and we have to kick like I said it before. And remember that it's essential to rotate your this foot. Here, my right leg is back. This is my kicking leg, right leg, and this is my stable leg, which is fixed to the ground here. We have to rotate it, this foot through, like this. This is rotating with our rotation of this leg. Okay, and this complete rotation of our kicking leg will generate very high amount of power only if you will rotate this left foot along with your right leg and with your hips like this. The third kick is the complete roundhouse kick to the face or to the temple part of the head. This kick can be used to check the forward movement of your opponent, and when used properly it can take out the senses too. The kicking procedure is same as that of the lower body roundhouse kick. As we have done it, this rotation is very much essential in this, and only the difference between this lower body roundhouse kick and this complete roundhouse kick is that this kick is towards the head, as I have said, to the face, towards this part, temple part. This is the temple part, and it sometimes hits the ears too, and it is very much fatal. Let me demonstrate it for you. Okay. As usual, right leg back. With the left leg, see my this leg is also rotating. This is essential to give more power to your kicks. With proper stretching, you can kick much higher too. Like this. Let me show you a high kick. Like this. Okay. In the last, I have a special kick in reserve for you. It is the same front kick. Okay. Just see, but just kick your opponent on its knees like this. Okay. Here, this is the front kick. Okay. We are kicking front. We have to kick on the knees. It is down to this, so we have to kick like here. If you are standing in a normal position like this, means not too much in a fighting position. You are out somewhere, someone attacks you. So you are standing like this, just blocking with this. Like this. If he is coming towards you, you are standing here like this. This. If you are standing in a normal position like this, then this. To the knees. It can restrict their movement easily. It can easily check their motion towards you and can give you. So guys, this much content is there for today. Thank you for watching my video. Keep supporting me like this and follow me on Instagram for more such videos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.